Pencil bookings in the RMS cloud are a quick and easy way to temporarily hold availability for guests who are not quite ready to commit to an actual reservation. In this video, we'll uncover creative ways to use pencil bookings to automate the process of turning inquirers into bookers. When dealing with a guest directly by phone or face-to-face, the simplest way to start a pencil booking is by dragging the cursor across the booking chart while holding down the left mouse button for the desired combination of dates and room. Then choose Add Pencil Reservation. The only mandatory field is last name, which gives you the option of searching for an existing guest or entering a new one. It's best practice to also add a mobile phone number and an email address to take advantage of the features we'll talk about today. Hover over the Quick Set button to display a range of preset times for how long the pencil booking will remain before it automatically expires. Alternatively, click here to choose a specific date and time. At that time, the pencil booking will disappear from the chart and the room will become available for online or front desk bookings. Optionally, leave a res note so that you and your colleagues know what has been said to the guest. The pencil will appear on the booking chart in this distinctive colour. The options in the right-click drop-down menu include View the account, which we'll come back to, Edit Pencil Reservation, which could be used for, say, extending the expiry time, Convert to Reservation, should the guest decide to go ahead and take up the booking, and Cancel Pencil Reservation. To encourage guests holding a pencil reservation to take up the booking, it's a good idea to set up a triggered correspondence reminding them that the expiry is pending and action is required by them to retain the booking. First, prepare the correspondence. Sending it as a text message will increase the chances of it being read and responded to. The message should be a simple reminder that accommodation is temporarily held for the guest and that the hold will be cancelled if a response isn't received immediately. Several merge fields are available to assist in automating this message, including under the Reservation Merge Field group, Pencil Expiry Date and Reservation Number. Under the Properties Merge Field group, choose from property name, phone number or website address. In the Setup area under Correspondence, in the Triggered section, create a new trigger. Enter a name and in Trigger Rules, choose the middle radio button and set the rule to be, say, 2 hours before the pencil expires. The amount of time prior to the pencil expiry is completely discretional and will be relevant to how long the pencil expiry is typically allowed by the reservationist. Select the method of delivering the correspondence and choose the message we prepared earlier. In Reservation Filters under Included Reservation Status, check only the box next to pencil. Complete all other tabs and save your new trigger. The idea now is that just prior to the pencil booking expiring, the guest will receive the reminder of the impending cancellation and be motivated to contact the property to confirm the reservation. When that happens, you could do one of two things. 1. Right-click on the pencil and choose View Account. If you receipt an amount equal to or greater than the deposit required amount, the pencil will automatically convert to a confirmed reservation. The second, and probably more practical option, is to convert to reservation. Here you will see all the details of the reservation, including the amount of the deposit required. This will have a great impact on turning those who have made an initial inquiry into confirmed customers. This can be made even more effective by automating the entire process and directing pencil reservation holders to the guest portal. Let's go through how this would work from start to finish using different scenarios. Starting a pencil reservation from the booking chart is extremely convenient. So long as you record at least the mobile phone number, the rest of the process can be automated. Once the conversation with the guest has ended, convert the pencil to a reservation from the right-click menu. Click on the now unconfirmed reservation to open it. Use the bell icon to change the status back to pencil. Choose a new expiry date time. In the Correspondence tab, send a text message that reminds the guest they have a temporary reservation, when it will expire, the payment amount required to confirm it, and a link to the guest portal where the payment can be made. For all this to work, you need to turn on some settings and use certain merge fields. In the text message template, you can use property name, so the guest is confident it came from you, reservation number, a handy reference if they call you back, pencil expiry date, deposit amount, which will display the amount recorded in this field, and the applicable link to the guest portal. It will be difficult to fit this all into a single message under 160 characters, and it's more likely it will be 2 text messages. But the convenience to you and the guest far outweighs the cost of the extra text message. The template will look something like this, and the guest will receive something like this. Take some time to get the message just the way you want it. Now, of course, the sending of the message can be automated using triggered correspondence. It would make sense to allow some time after making the reservation to sending the text message, but the timing is up to you. Perhaps 30 minutes after making the reservation, and only for reservations with status of pencil. In the Guest Portal Setup section, you will need to check the box next to Show Projected Balance in the Reservation Settings tab. Before you can do that, you will need to have turned on Show Projected Balance in Setup, Accounting, Accounting Options, and then the Account Screen tab. So it's going to work like this. A potential guest calls and asks you to hold accommodation while they consider their options. You make a pencil booking, and if you've done everything we just talked about, the guest will receive a text message with the instructions. They'll follow the link to the guest portal and make the deposit payment. When they do, the pencil booking will automatically turn into a confirmed reservation. If they fail to do this before the expiry date and time, the pencil booking will simply disappear without you needing to do anything, freeing up the accommodation. Now, having said all that, I'll leave you with one final suggestion on best practice. Starting a pencil reservation on the booking chart is quick and easy, but doing it from the reservation screen makes more sense. Here you can take as many details regarding the guest as you need. If the inquiry goes no further than that, select Save from the 3 dots, and if nothing else, you now have a new contact on your marketing list. Here you will have full access to rate and discount options. Optionally, you can nominate a deposit amount and deposit required date different to the default if you want to. If the guest needs more time to commit, simply change the status from unconfirmed to pencil and choose an expiry duration. As a further step in automating the process, you could set a trigger to send your confirmation emails where the reservation status is confirmed. So there you have it. It's a lot to take in, but it is a great feature that will save you time and increase yield. Go back and watch the video again if you didn't get it the first time, and remember that the Help Centre has volumes of information in an easy to follow format if you prefer to learn that way.